everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Hominess Plans, and I'm back with another memory spread. For this week, I'll be planning out the week of December 21st through December 27th using this stunning kit called Holly from Craftsbythaowie. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day to day. Alright, so getting started, this is my Christmas spread, and it is also the very last spread in this planner. So instead of doing a normal voiceover, I decided to continue on with the Christmas Q&As. I love doing Q&As in videos. I think it's a little easier than, I don't know, I feel like it's easier than doing like actually talking about the plans. Go figure, I don't know. But anyways, I just looked up some more Christmas themed questions and picked out 10 of my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first question I have here is favorite Christmas tradition. My family is really big into Christmas traditions, and for years my favorite Christmas tradition growing up was on Christmas Eve my mom would make homemade baked potato soup, which is, oh my gosh, like the best tasting. It literally tastes like a twice baked potato but in a soup, and you had like sour cream and bacon bits and green onions and cheese, and it is literally, it's so bad for you but so freaking delicious. Oh, it's amazing. And then we would watch the movie Scrooge with Albert Finney, and then we'd all go to bed, and that's whenever quote-unquote Santa Claus would come, and the next morning we'd wake up and my dad would film all of us kids coming out and looking at our Christmas presents, and that was really fun. So that's, I think, my favorite childhood Christmas tradition. But starting this year, we started a new tradition, and it's called the Stupid Shiver Secret Santa, which is, you know, now that all of us kids are grown, we draw names and we have to pick out gag gifts for everybody, and like the stupider the better. So anyways, that's my new favorite family Christmas tradition. We just started it this year, but I can already tell it's gonna be my favorite. Okay, so this next question is a would you rather, and it says, would you rather only listen to Christmas music or only watch Christmas movies? Ooh. I'm obsessed with both of those things. Don't make me choose. I adore Christmas music. Like, I blast it the entire month of December, but I also put Christmas movies on repeat. So to make me choose between those is just unfair. But I guess, you know what? I would only listen to Christmas music because I can do that in the gym, I can do that in my car, I can blast it in my house. I feel like that's more versatile, whereas with Christmas movies, oh, unless you download them. Okay, you know what? I'm vetoing that question. I'm not answering because it's just too hard for me. Okay, this next one is a this or that, ham or turkey. If we're talking on Christmas, again, it's a tradition, but we do ham on Christmas Day. However, this particular year, I went and I had Christmas lunch over at my husband's grandparents' house, and she made Cornish hens, like little baby chickens. Like, I called them pygmy chickens because they're just teeny tiny. And I'd never had one before, and it was like she injected it, and they were so juicy and freaking delicious. So I don't know, but traditionally my family does ham on Christmas, so I'm gonna say ham. Okay, next. What is your favorite holiday treat? Fruitcake, gingerbread, or eggnog? Okay, well, fruitcake can just go. Like, no, fruitcake that's not even an option for me. And I like gingerbread, but it has to be my sister's gingerbread. She has like found the magical secret on making gingerbread cookies. It's like so delicious and so moist and like, oh, I hate that word. Like, that's how you know I like something, is whenever I say that word. Like, but there's no other way to describe it. Anyways, they're perfectly soft. So it has to be her gingerbread. So if it was her gingerbread, then it would be gingerbread. But I gotta go with the all-time classical favorite, and that is eggnog. I love eggnog. I know that's kind of an unpopular opinion. That like it's 50-50. You either love eggnog or you hate it. I've never found someone who's like, meh, it's all right. It's always one extreme or the other. Okay, favorite holiday movie. Oh, like a holiday movie that I can watch just like on repeat and never get tired of? Probably Home Alone. Honestly, I don't know. It changes every year. Like one year it was A Christmas Story. One year it was the Santa Claus. This year it was Home Alone. Like I watched and in particular, the first Home Alone. I analyzed the crap out of that movie this year. Don't ask me why. But yeah, this year it was definitely Home Alone. Okay, another this or that. Christmas caroling or looking at Christmas lights. Okay, well, given the circumstances this year, we could not go Christmas caroling. And I love looking at Christmas lights. Some people get ridiculously creative. Like, I love to sing, don't get me wrong. But I feel like, I don't know, it can be a little bit dangerous sometimes. So I'm going to go with looking at Christmas lights, because that's been something that my dad has been a super fan of ever since I was like born. So looking at Christmas lights. Okay, next, what is your favorite Christmas song? The song Oh Holy Night. I have like 12 different versions of that song on my Christmas playlist, and I love every single one, and it chokes me up every single time. I'm a little biased though, and my favorite version is sung by my dad. He arranged the music to it, and it's like, his voice is like so powerful. It like chokes me up and brings me to tears. Shameless plug, but if you guys are interested in hearing it, I can share a link down in my description box below, because my dad doesn't get enough recognition, I feel like, and I'm such a daddy's girl. But anyways, yes, the song Oh Holy Night is definitely my favorite Christmas song. Okay, this next question says, how was your Christmas different in 2020 than in years prior? Honestly, it was different, but in a good way it was different. Like, this was the first time in like 6 years that all of my siblings were home, because my older brother has been in the Navy, and my sister, who is married to my older brother's best friend, was, he's in the Navy as well, and my sister-in-law, who is also my childhood best friend, has, been with my brother, who was in the Navy, and then my younger brother was gone for 2 years. So this was like the first time in so long that my entire family was literally together. So I think that's how it was different, but it was a good kind of different. So, something good came out of 2020. Okay, what is one of your goals for 2021? I want to grow my independent fitness business. I'm currently studying to become a fitness nutrition specialist to create meal plans for people. I also got my certification in group fitness renewed, so I want to teach more group fitness classes. If the world opens back up, I'd love to do it in person, but I'm also trying to expand my Zoom classes as well. So that's definitely a big goal that I have, is expanding my personal fitness business. So okay, this last question is, would you rather receive gifts for Christmas but spend it alone, or receive no gifts but spend it with the ones you love? Okay, that's kind of like, that's a no-brainer, unless you're absolutely like super duper selfish. Obviously, I'd much rather get 0 gifts and spend it with the ones I love. I mean, with 2020 being what it was, I know there were a lot of people who couldn't get gifts or receive gifts or spend time with their families. So I think given what this year was, I was obviously very fortunate and very blessed, both in both ways. But this year, I would so much rather spend time with my family and have those interactions and those memories than receive any gift ever. I'm a person who enjoys giving others gifts anyways, rather than receiving them. Obviously when I was younger, like growing up, I loved getting gifts and everything, like every kid does. But as I've gotten older and, I'm married now and everything, and my husband's grandparents are getting up in age and everything, I really see and value the importance of family and spending time with family. And it's like, at the end of the day, your family is with you, and gifts are just worldly things. You can't take them with you, but your family's always going to be there. So absolutely, I would so much rather have 0 gifts but spend Christmas with the ones I love, because the memories are better than anything that I could receive. So yeah, that completes the questions that I found. Like I said, there was like a ton, but I picked out 10 of my favorites. I hope everyone had a wonderful and Merry Christmas. I know 2020 has been kind of a bummer and a dumpster fire for everybody, but I really hope that everyone managed to find some joy in this holiday season. For those of you who did not get the chance to spend time with family because of this virus, I'm so sorry. I hope you were able to enjoy Christmas and find some happiness there. And I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everybody is excited for a fresh start and a fresh year. I know I am. Like I said, I have some really cool goals and everything, and I hope everyone is looking forward to setting some goals for themselves. I was really excited to actually finish this planner. This is the first time I've ever successfully completed a planner, and I'm really excited to start a new one. But anyways, these are the leftovers from the kit along with a Viv wiggle. Like I said, I hope you guys had a lovely and wonderful Merry Christmas. I hope you guys all have a happy new year. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see everyone in the next video. Love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.